my knuckles.
Jesus Christ. Show me your knuckles.
See them now.
Your knuckles are... Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinelo Ezeonye, a YouTuber based in Kaduna. If you're tuning for the first time, please do not make it on last. I'm a mom YouTuber based in Kaduna. You guys, I'm so excited. First of all, I want to tell you guys that today is Sunday, so I'm in the church. The church just closed. Okay, let me show you guys the compound. I'm waiting for people to move their car so that I can move my car towards where we'll be doing a meeting today. Like, I'll be staying in the church till say 3 o'clock. Okay, this is after. Let me check the time. Okay, you guys, I was about saying after 11, but this is to 11 actually. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is to 11. Yeah, this is to 11 10:37. Yeah, so what happened today is that, guys, like, since I started this YouTube journey, okay, today is the first day of me seeing an unknown face, like somebody I don't know, but the person recognizes me, say, Chinelo Ezeonye, I know you from YouTube. I was so excited. I'm your subscriber, honestly. Like, we are very close to the door of the church, so I cannot bring out my camera to snap with her, but I pray I see her. Honestly, I see her again in this church so I can snap with her. Like, I'm so excited. Like, this has never happened ever since I started this YouTube journey. From my first channel, which was 350 subscribers, I see. It was about thereabout, before I lost that phone, and I tried to log into the account, but they said I can't log into the account because my phone was hacked. Okay, so I started a new one. So guys, I'm so excited. Let me not blab too much. Honestly, this is one of my, like, happy day. I'm so happy. It's not easy, like, seeing somebody I don't, apart from my family and friends that watches me. Sometimes people will call me babe, that soup that you cook, or remember, bring my own for me, or remember my own for me. But this is entirely unknown person that I just see, and in fact, I said, Chinelo, I know you from YouTube. I was so excited. Like, I was shocked at first. I was just looking at her to understand what she was saying. She said, Chinelo Ezeonye from YouTube. Guys, anyways, that is that for that. I'll be showing you guys my full outfit after I move my car. I'll just get someone or get a cool place where I'll show you guys my outfit. Okay, I'm wearing purple for today, and also a purple purse. Yeah, this is the part, but I will show you guys, like, everything. And here is the shoe I wore to church. Purple, combination of purple, pink, and other colors. So guys, I'll see you in my next clip. Bye. My next clip will be my full outfit, right? Yeah, so I see you guys. Like, the weather is hot. I get to chill in the car. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Did I show you guys the church compound? Let me do that. So you guys, here is the church compound. The church just closed, and I'm waiting for that is the church, that is the chapel, and I'll move my car towards this place, towards there. That is what we'll be doing meeting today. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. So guys, church have closed. So you guys have closed from I've closed from church meeting and I came to this station market to get fruits for the house. I got pawpaw, garden egg, granite, and oranges. So I'm heading home now. Okay, guys, let's discuss. So I was one of those that was elected in the church, like, pardon my voice, elected in church to work for the meeting, like elected from the women's meeting, that is Christian mothers. But I've been dodging this post for a very long time. Since they elected me, like, I used to run away from it. Sometimes I would come to church and just sneak in, like, hide in the midst of the congregation. I wouldn't even want to show my face. But today they dragged me. So they dragged me out because we have to stay at the stage, at the high table, to, you know, to do the work of the house. But I don't know why. Anywhere I go, they will give me leaders, and I don't want, like, I don't like such that. I like to sit, you know, I like to be free. Whenever I go to a meeting or something like that, like even in my house today, the village meeting that we are doing in my house, I am still their chair lady, which I've begged them to elect someone else, but they refused. I don't know why. Like, I used to run away from such things, but they keep electing me. Gosh, I hope you guys can hear me clearly. My voice is cracking. Anyway, that is that for that. Let's go. Bye. Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my amazing face for the first time, my name is Chinelo Ezeonye, YouTuber based in Kaduna State, Nigeria. I'm a mom YouTuber. I'm a mom of 6 based in Kaduna. Okay, you guys, I hope I'm not blabbing. I hope I'm not too fast. All right, today is I don't know what the time is actually, but this is Tuesday, yeah, evening, and I want to make soup for my family. I want to make oha soup for my family, and I would like to guide you guys along. Okay, please stay tuned, watch this video to the end, like, comment, share. If you're new here, please subscribe. My returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you guys for always stopping by. Thank you guys for always watching my videos. Okay, yeah, so let's dive right into the video. Okay, let me show you guys something. Guys, I got these new pots. For soup. I got this pot for 16,000, and I've also added water, which I'll be using to make this soup. So here is the meat. Is already soft. I'll be turning it right now. Okay, and you know when I'll be adding it into my soup. So guys, here is my ingredients: seasoning, salt, crayfish, pepper, Cameroon pepper. This is my pounded cocoyam. In this gallon is my palm oil. Here is the stockfish. In here is my local spice, ogiri. That is what is there. So let's dive right into the video. Yeah, that's my local spice. I just brought it out from the freezer. It's blocked. So let's dive right into the video. So you guys, I want to go in with the stockfish. So guys, I want to start going in with the cocoyam, but cocoyam is blocked because this cocoyam was pounded in the morning, and then I put it into the freezer so I can cook it this evening, but it's locked. Hence, I will be putting all of them inside the pot right now. So I'll be putting all of them inside the pot because it's not like cutting, because it's hard. I'll just be putting everything inside at once. So this is the quantity of the ogiri that I'll be using. So I'm going in with the ogiri right now. I want to go in with the seasoning, the pepper. Here is the crayfish. Putting everything else, so everything will marinate together while the cocoyam is melting. So guys, let's cover it and cook. Guys, let's check on our soup. Wow. Did you see that? Did you see how my soup is boiling? So guys, this cocoyam have not fully melted, just remaining this and just little, and this one, that's all. So we're making progress. So I want to go in with the meat and the meat stock. Let's go in with some salt. I haven't added any salt to the soup except for the one I cooked the meat with. So guys, here is the uziza leaf. That is the first vegetable I'm going to be adding inside this soup. Here comes the second, which is the coral leaf. So I'm going to boil it for a few seconds, and yeah, the soup will be ready. Guys, my soup is ready. So guys, this is all for our soup. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Hi guys, good evening. So I've just closed from the shop. I'm going home, though I stop here to pick my kids from my husband's shop. And yeah, I'm going to stop at the mall. I have list here. I have a few things that I need to buy at the mall. And yeah, I would like to carry you guys along. Except for now, guys, that is basically it. I don't know if anything comes up, I'm going to carry you guys along. But for now, yeah, so let's go to the mall and pick these few items I have here.
I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it.
She be not this kind of things where they make man see, yeah. And me,
I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say, nothing to talk down. Oh, it's let's know where you live right now. So it's not wasting another day.
My knuckles.
Jesus Christ. Show me your knuckles.
See them now.
Your knuckles are in plan. Guys, we are out from the mall, so we're heading home right now. Only the baby followed me. My boys went home. They said they are not coming with me. That's the time is. That time is again. And they want to go home. So